How to transfer all data from my old phone to my new phone. Now go to the Play Store on your new phone and install the Smart Switch app. I already have it installed. Now go to Settings on your old Samsung phone. Scroll down. Now click on Accounts and Backup. Then tap on Transfer Data for device setup. Now scan the QR code. Select which data you want to transfer. I will transfer all the data, so I clicked on everything. Wait a moment. Now all the data has been transferred from the old phone to the new phone. Look, the apps on my old phone have moved to my new phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.